Okay. So, when you come to the United States, long time ago, as an immigrant, so you're coming from a different country, you go to a place called Ellis Island. Okay, and that Ellis Island, there's lots of places you had to go through. So today we are on number 10, and it's called the Kissing Post. So everybody go ahead and click on number 10. Remember we've been through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all this different stuff. And we're on number 10, the Kissing Post. So remember, husbands came early, wives and children came later. So why do you think it's called the Kissing Post?
That's where they met up.
Say it louder.
That's where they met up.
They met up after being away from each other for a long time, and so they did what? They kissed. Okay? Well, they actually hugged, all right? Because remember, this is in the 1800s, so different to where it is today. So it was called the Kissing Post. After you'd been through the Kissing Post, all right, husbands met wives and children again. Then they went into New York City, and they started their life together in the United States as immigrants. So remember, I told you I was also an immigrant. All right, didn't go through Ellis Island because it no longer exists. All right, it's still there, but it's a museum, but it's very, very similar. So we go through all the paperwork. Okay, so if you want to click on, let's go ahead and click on photos so you can see them. So there's the outside, and then there's also, I'll give you 45 seconds to a minute. Go ahead and play with the Kissing Post just like we did with everything else. There should be a video you can play. You hit the audio.
And find that called element.
Not sure if it'll work on that. If it is, not that great. It is working.
It worked on mine.
Good, then just go ahead and play it. You got a couple minutes, just take a look at it. Okay, you turn the volume down just a wee bit. Okay, you guys have 1 minute if you want to go back to any through 1 through 10, and then I'm going to explain what the assignment is to you all. So scroll back up to the home page, explore the 1 through 10. Remember there's photographs and audio about each of them. Okay. All right, now, everybody go into your assignment, please. Ellis Island Google Docs. And let's scroll down. We've done 1 through 9. And let's scroll down to the Kissing Post. So remember your description. Can you say a little louder what you talked about just a few minutes ago? Who is they?
The immigrants all met up at the Kissing Post.
Okay, remember we talked about this. Husband would come earlier, and we're talking months, sometimes a year, find a job, save up enough money so he could bring his family over. So you've been 12 months without seeing your family, there's going to be hugging and kissing. So that's what happened at the Kissing Post. All right, so we'll do this one together so you know what to do for the rest of the assignment. So go ahead and type in a description of what happened at the Kissing Post in your own words. If you need some help, it's on the screen so you can copy your way there. Don't worry about spelling. This is a social studies. We'll fix the spelling later. This one right here. There you go. Now make sure you put in there, why was it called the Kissing Post? Good.
I put immigrants met up at the Kissing Post to share feelings that they couldn't before.
Yeah. And don't forget, put in there that, you got to put in there that the husbands or fathers came earlier so he could save up enough money to bring the rest of his family. It's not like everybody came together. Now I'm going to explain to you what the assignment is, and then you'll have about a minute and a half to get started before class is over. So you got two options. Okay, on your Google Doc, which you have in Classroom, you can just finish it off just like we've done with the kissing post. On the left-hand side, brief description after going through the interactive stuff. And on the right-hand side, I want a picture. Now with Ellis Island, there's some really cool old photographs, which we've looked at already. You can copy and paste those into the document. That's option number one. Option number two, everybody click on storyboard that if you would please. And again, we've done these before. Option number two is to create a storyboard that using 1 through 10 on Ellis Island. So how many slides will you need? 10. Very good. Slide number 10 will be the kissing post. So, two options. Number one, use the storyboard that. Or number two, you can use the Google Doc. Remember, in the Google Doc, it's going to be actual photographs. Okay? All right, you got 1 minute. You guys can get started. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. So you want to try and do the kissing post for me? Get online, find a picture, just copy and paste it in there, or you can use that front one. Or you can use the storyboard that.